we were targeting oxygen capacity of 24,000 cylinders per day. Was it 24,000 or 18,000? So these machines, the 16 in the referral hospitals and the 3 cryogenic, the one cryogenic is the one of liquid oxygen, which will be in three sites, each one producing what? 5,000? Each one. So that issue of oxygen will be solved. On the 18th of June 2021, when I instituted the lockdown, I directed the Prime Minister and the Minister of Gender, Labour and Social Development to define and identify persons who depend on daily income in cities and municipalities